Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss 2025 Advanced Level A-Level Accounting paper. Question number, which one? Question number 4. This is related to about information, previous information. Look here. What is the requirements? Requirement. Which of the following accounting equations? There is accounting equation. Which of the following accounting equation reflects the net impact? There is a plus minus, there is impact, the net impact, the final impact of all above transactions as at 31st March 2025, 31st August 2025. This is the month end in R&D Enterprises. Which of the following accounting equations reflects the net impact of all above transactions as at 31st August 2025 in R&D Enterprises? What is the equation? Assets, liability, equity. Assets, liability, equity. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. The all this question is ₹1,000. We must cut 3 zeros. Okay, let's see what is the first transaction. The old transaction, no? The first transaction is first one. The owner of the firm provided the land worth of 500 as additional capital. There's a land providing. What's the impact? There is a visible thing. What is the visible thing? Land. Inflow to the business. Therefore, 500,000 land plus asset. Land, equity plus capital. This is the first transaction, number A. Second one. First one is easy. Second one. The firm purchased a food processing machine costing 240 on 1st August 2025 for cash paid and purchased a machine and commenced using it from this date. Okay, this is the second one is depreciation. First one, we must purchase 240 cash credit, no, cash paid, cash outflow. This is a B. Cash outflow 240, cash. There is a visible thing, machine, inflow to the business plus machine 240 machine. Another one, this is the depreciation. This asset was purchased on 1st August 2025, the opening date of month. Look here, it is depreciated over period of 24 months. These transactions are related to 1 month. Therefore, the 240 is the total cost. At the depreciation, we must deduct which one? Residual value, no residual value, divided in, this is the months. There is a 24 months depreciation over this asset. In that case, 240 divided in 24 months. In that case, we can find 1 month depreciation. 1 month depreciation is 10,000. the 10,000 depreciation. Look here, what is the entry? B, only B transaction 10. A machine is depreciated, machine reduced, machine, and machine depreciation is an expense related to equity. Expense related to equity, therefore we must minus machine depreciation. This is the expense. Okay, third one. Let's see, transaction number 3. The firm paid 180,000 to trade creditor after receiving 10% cash discount. Look here, this is the explanation. This is the schedule, no? You know what is the schedule? Trade payable. This is the payable amount. After that we must deduct discount received. After that we must paid cash amount. This is the guideline of trade payable, cash pay into trade payable. In that case, this transaction, what is the amount? Paid 180. Paid means cash amount. Paid 180 means cash account 180. Cash account, paid cash account amount 180. This is the rupees 1000. What is the discount? Trade creditor after receiving 10% cash discount. Cash discount is 10%. What is the meaning of the cash discount? 10%. 10% means this is the discount. You know, discount is 10. 100 is trade payable. If the trade payable is 100, discount is 10. Okay, the trade payable, this is the percentage meaning. Trade payable is 100. Discount is 10. Discount must be deduct. Look here, discount must be deduct. After that, 90 is paid amount. This is the actual transaction values. This is there. How can we find the actual values using percentage? Look here, the actual value is 180. This is the easy way. Look here, this percentage is 90, actual one is double. Look here, percentage is 90, actual one is 180. Percentage 10, double it, 20, double it, 200. The percentage is 90. Same person is 180. This is double. No, actual is double. Therefore, all percentage lines double it. 10, 20, 100, 20. This is the easy way now. But there is some crucial point. We cannot directly get the actual amount using this. At this point, this is the actual value 180 divided in same person of percentage. Actual value divided in same person in percentage. Divide and multiplied which amount? Required percentage 1. Require means you want discount received. Multiply 10. To answer is 20. This discount finding. After that you want trade payable. 180 actual value. Please divide same person of percentage 90. Multiplied your requirement. Requirement is trade payable 100. 200 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer sheet. In that case, what is the impact to equation? Trade payable must be deduct. Why? Trade after the pay into trade payable must be deduct. Trade payable must be deduct 200. Trade payable is liability. This is the liability column. Trade payable C. Trade payable deduct 200. Trade payable must be deduct 200 and discount received means happy. Discount received means increase of equity. There is income no 20 must be equity plus 20 discount received. Discount received. The easy one is cash payment. Paid cash amount 180 must be deduct from cash asset. 180 cash. Okay, next go to the D. Transaction D. There the firm paid a monthly loan installment of 60,000 including 15,000 interest. Look here, firm paid a monthly monthly loan installment 60. Look here, paid loan installment 60. Paid loan installment 60 including 15% interest. Including means there is a 15% interest. Which one? Expense or income? Interest expense there. Expense paid. Interest expense paid there. What is the remaining amount is 45. 45 is loan capital amount paid. Actual loan paid amount. Loan paid amount. What is the impact? Total paid loan installment is 60. 60 must be deduct from cash. Therefore, 60 must be deduct from cash. After that, the loan paid amount means 45 must be deduct liabilities. 45 deduct must be liabilities. Liabilities is there, this column 45 must be deduct from liabilities. 45, this is the loan. The last one, what is the last one? Last one is interest expense. Interest expense must be deduct from equity. Equity is there, 15%. Interest expense. There is expense deduction of equity. Okay, the last one is not related to our business. Okay, let's see this. Last one is, what is this? The computer worth of 300,000 which was personally owned by the owner. This is the owner personal asset, had been stolen while it was at the business premises. This is not related to business. There is no impact to equation. Therefore, we must finalize this. Liabilities only, this is the impact. Liabilities 200 minus and 245 minus equity 500, 25 minus and 5 minus 495 plus net impact is 250 plus, okay, 500, 200, this is the cash, and 90, okay, 250, 500, 250, okay, this is the net impact. Assets 250 plus minus liability 245 plus 495 plus equity. Look here, what is the answer? Answer 250. Answer for 250, there are only one. 245 to 495. Answer is 4. For question number 4, answer is 4. In next video we must identify the answer of question number 5.